伙计们，今天我们来 Gimme 学习开帆船了。现在给我们培训的是一个加拿大的教练。
Oh, I see.
That's like a handle, so you can pull it. Yeah, you can put it back. True, it's really long. You could on. So this one, it actually isn't your kind of cam, but we're just gonna use it today, just because we don't. Yeah, through there. Cleat it off. So you first want to start at this bottom cleat right here. Hear that ticking? Kind of like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then up from outside in. And then at the end, you're going to tie a stopper knot. See that?
Oh, I see.
That swings back and forth. And out all the way. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, that's a bad example.
Bad example.
Yeah.
Forgot to tie the stopper knot. That was an example of what happens when you don't tie a stopper knot.
I see.
At the end of your line.
It's kind of drama.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty dramatic, huh? Oh, no, you know what? I think how they do it is because they're all different.
刚刚上了那个理论课，那个教练教我们怎么样控制这个船，怎么样把这个船这个帆给绑上去，把这个桅杆给插上去，还把这个绳子啊怎么打结啊什么的，还挺复杂的。光是学这个的学了1个小时。
One thing always the battens. I love the sail.
Yeah, I realize.
Last weekend and
Is that happen pretty often?
oh, every weekend they do it pretty much.
Oh, every.
现在理论课上完了，然后这个教练带我们去看他自己的船。这个年轻的小伙子买了一个2手的船。今天这个风比较大，湖上的浪很大，所以不是特别适合搞这个教学，所以很有可能今天我们只上理论课，然后这个操作课明天回来上。看看这些漂亮的帆船和游艇，帅气啊！希望有生之年能买得起这样的一条船啊！
Oh, that's what it is for, probably, right?
This is for your jib sail.
That's
They
a
just
different
don't
one.
have your jib sail up right now.
Oh, wow. Dude, is that something
Cool.
I want to next summer?
Yeah, right.
For
Yeah.
real? I'm
Yeah,
not
oh,
kidding.
for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
I'm so jealous of you.
See?
You know what? This boat really ain't that special.
It looks cozy.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, our awesome coach,
Hi.
Ben.
Captain Jack Sparrow. Captain Ben.
Yeah, right.
You got a bed.
Yeah, so that's my berth in the front. That's where I sleep. I got a sink. The hose isn't hooked up yet. I didn't bother hooking up the hose. Just because, like, again, then I got to drain everything, and
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know.
I see what you
But
mean.
if I can, and you know, the day I did it, the water, there was not a breath of wind. The water was like glass. It was warm, beautiful day. I had a cooler of beer. I sat out here and I just brought it down. Took 3 hours, no rush. You know, beautiful day, beautiful boat ride.
Is it allowed to sail
The-
after you get drunk?
The thing is, now this is where the yacht club actually got in trouble. It's hard not to. Like, not even gonna lie. When you're out in the lake and it's a beautiful summer day, and you have cocktails sitting right there, it's kind of hard not to reach and grab one. You know what I mean?
Dude, I should be the one invited because I'm not a drinking
Oh,
at all.
no.
You cannot go sailing without drinking.
Because I actually don't know
Ah,
how high it is.
this is so cool. 看那个地方，那个有一个长长的那个码头，这叫 Gimli Dock，这是一个钓鱼的地方。但是今天我们不钓鱼，今天是来学帆船的。
And then they went up to this here.
Is that happen?
It's a reef, Pearson's Reef,
Oh.
and they rounded it, and then they came back. So they did a full. It was a race. They did a full triangle.
Oh.
Oh, it doesn't really. 51, 61
51 feet or meter?
feet
Feet.
deep. Yeah,
So is
that's the deepest part. That it gets real narrow, Yeah, you would just have to like,
We have to pay for the government stuff to doing that.
or you just kind of guess and pray you're not gonna hit a rock or something. That's
No,
kind of
no, we use Google Map.
yeah. You're just thinking out of oh, you know what's good? The Snapchat.
Oh my god.
Snapchat. That's where they.
Yeah, the
Say like
dock.
to-
We went there lots actually.
Yeah. Lots of them go up to Gull Harbor.
Oh.
Hecla.
NASA.
Yeah.
That's the place we go fishing.
Good fishing there. Huh?
嗨，伙计们，大家好！今天是新的一天。昨天因为那个风浪太大了，就没有上船。但是昨天把理论课上完了，今天主要就是过来学这个实际操作。看看那边能不能看到，有几个退休老头老太太在那儿吃早餐啊。
Maybe I should have mentioned. But see, this is because this is your tiller, right? This is what's connected to the, the rudder.
It will be my angle.
Yeah, that'll be like that.
Yeah.
You're gonna switch. This is gonna switch over.
Yeah.
And you straighten out. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
刚刚在这个草地上学了一下怎么样控制这个帆，以及怎么样换方向。现在休息几分钟，换个衣服，然后就下水了。这是今天我开的船，感觉今天的这个培训还是很消耗体力的，这个工作量还是挺大的。哇塞，这个风好大呀！
有点风大。
嗯。
So you might need to hop back out of the boat. There you go.
It's keep moving to this side.
Yeah, that's the wind kind of pushing it. So you could maybe try and get a running start a little bit, kind of like push it off as you come out. There you go. Yeah, so you're going to sit down, grab the tiller.
Oh,
There you go.
it's working.
Remember, see how you're turning right now, though?
Yeah,
You got to keep that tiller straight.
this is the right direction, huh?
Yeah, the wind is kind of coming right from that way.
Okay.
So we're going to have to tack to get out of here.
So now keep it straight.
Yeah, so you're going to switch sides. Okay, you can let go of the boom. You can let that go. On the very front of you, the board,
The board.
push it down all the way.
This one.
Yeah, push it down. There you go, perfect.
Oh, I can't believe it moved so fast.
Yeah, okay. And you can straighten out your tiller. And you can pull in your sail and head up a little bit more that way. Yeah, there you go. See that?
Oh,
But see how you're turning right now, though? Put the tiller away from you. Yeah. And now you're going to steer that way. We're going to push and stride. Turn, go that way. Yeah.
可以。我感觉它这个棍太长了。
Step closer to the wind.
pull or pull?
Pull in. Yeah. And you're going to follow him. So turn towards him. Perfect. Straighten out. There you go. Now pull your sail in a little bit more. There you go. Perfect.
Are we sailing out to the Caribbean Sea?
It kind of looks like it, huh? It has that feeling.
This to be a pirate.
Pirate.
Oh yeah.
Like after today, you guys will be good at steering and tacking.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to get used to it.
It takes a minute for sure.
Is it deep here?
No.
The water.
Maybe only 8 feet.
8 feet.
The wind is coming.
Yo. Oh.
我们该干啥呀？现在？我现在手足无措呀。直走。
See how your board has popped out a little bit again?
Uh-huh.
The dragon board?
Oh, this one.
You might have to keep it. Sometimes with light winds, it's okay like that, but any higher. Diagram I draw. You know.
Can I switch now?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
结束了。这个美丽的帆船学习旅程，虽然船有点小，虽然说也没有风，学的课有点水，但是至少是迈出很大的一步啊！这开启了宾地哥这个帆船环游世界的第一步，也完成了我的一个人生愿望清单的一项。你的这个船上这个大副的位置，我现在预定了。